How to download apps on Windows 10 laptop or computer. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store. In here, you can search on top search bar, search for any app you want to download. After you find the app you want to download, simply click on it. After you click on the app you want to download, you'll find Get option. Simply click on Get option and your app will be downloaded. In this way you can download other apps as well. If you want to see recommendation, you can also click on apps located on left side of your screen. This is how to download apps on Windows 10 laptop or computer. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.